G'day, welcome back, and today we're going to be talking about this ToolPro pressure washer. Out of all of the tools I got from Supercheap Auto last year, this ToolPro 2.6 horsepower 2200 psi petrol pressure washer has been by far the most useful, most used, most impressive. This thing is awesome. I love this pressure washer, and I'll tell you why. So the heart of this washer is this 2.6 horsepower 4-stroke petrol engine. Features a pull start, got a choke, all the usual stuff, nice big fuel tank. It starts really easily, does make a fair bit of noise, but that's nature of the beast really. This engine runs our pump. The pump's connected with a 5-meter hose through to our lance. Nice long length, nice well built lance, does a good job. The lance features this 1/4-inch quick connect down here, and the device itself comes with these four different nozzles that we'll go over shortly. This top handle bends in half here for easy storage, bends flat there. Also got these big chunky wheels, makes it nice and easy going over kind of rough ground. Uses 6 litres per minute of water, doesn't sound too bad. Got the nozzles, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. So let's have a look at the nozzles. Right, so we've got these 4 included nozzles. We got the most aggressive, the 0 degree, for kind of concrete and things that, or stripping paint or whatever real aggressive stuff you want to do. You see the green one's by far the most used with me. That's the one you use for cars, engines, more gentle stuff, decks, anything like that. Low pressure, 40 degree one. I haven't used that one yet, but it'll just be like this one, but a wider fan, less pressure. And we've also got this soap one. The soap nozzle's connected to this detergent feed. You see it's got a wee filter on there. You stick this in a bottle of detergent, it sucks it up, sprays a nice film over the car. That works well. It is a little bit thirsty, gets for a fair bit of car wash fluid, washer, whatever you want to put through there, but it does a good job, saves you getting too mucky. Features this quick connect kind of setup here. See if I can do this one-handed. Get your nozzle, stick it in, it locks in place. Quick change, even one-handed, makes it nice and easy. They store up here. There's a nice positive fit in there, they're not going to fall out. So I'm not really here to sell tools, I'm here just to kind of show you what these things are capable of. Supercheap sent this to me to test out, to review. The best way I find to do that is to kind of show you me using it. So from here on in, we'll play some music because you don't want to hear this engine running. Show you it cleaning some stuff, and go from there. But certainly, I love this thing. It's fantastic. It's super powerful. You get the choice of nozzles. Does a great job at cleaning. Even the Mrs. Badger's got onto this to clean our fence out there. But yeah, I've used it for cars, engines, fences, decks, patios, the house, everything. This thing cleans it. I love it. Really impressed. So I'll put some links to this down below. I'll put it there for the New Zealand, Australian shops. Go check it out. If you need one, if you're looking for a pressure washer, I'm really happy with this one. So there we go. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you for some more tool reviews soon. Cheers.